Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a quick review for you guys. Over here with me I've got the Quantum from Shirogorov knives in a special edition. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this stuff that I'm bringing to you. So, Generation 1 Quantum in a special edition. It's a limited release. I believe this was for the Arsenal show in Russia, and there's only 6 made of these guys. This is a regular Quantum, let's say, but has a little bit of tweakings coming up, like, for example, the bronze anodization, the finish over here, like you see, the chaotic finish on these flats. The anodization is really cool and actually matches well with the blue backspacer and the blue titanium tip-up carry-only and hidden hardware pocket clip. There is also like another feature going on which elevates this production, let's say limited production, very close to the custom division, and it's the honeycomb pattern laser etched into the fuller and into the flipper tab on both sides. But the star of the show is M398 still going on in this edition here. M398 is a different steel, slightly different than M390, because it has a higher wear resistance and hardness than M390, but that comes to a price because the toughness is going to be lower and a little bit lower corrosion resistance. So, I mean, edge retention is always very good. It's a very good feature to have in a knife, and this improves it over the already crazy edge retention of M390, but it comes down to toughness and corrosion resistance, the price to pay to have this new iteration of the steel. Everything else is pretty much like your regular Quantum 4mm blade stock. You got stainless steel lock face insert, everything like multi-row bearings, classic. It's a Quantum Generation 1, so nothing different than the anodization, than the blade steel and the etching pattern on the fuller and on the flipper tab. So, I mean, very cool special edition, very nice iteration. It's cool to see the features from the custom division coming and creeping down into the production versions of the same model. So, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.